I have a Kubota Z724 0-turn, won't crank with a brand new starter. Once I turn the key on and jump the starter, it cranks but has no spark. I was leaning more towards the key switch. Am I headed in the right direction?
I'll do all I can to help. Can you tell me more about what's going on?
Trying to find out what controls the spark/fire on this mower.
How can I help with your small engine question? What's the brand and model of your lawn mower? How old is it?
It's a Kubota Z724 mower, not sure of the year, but it has a 27-horse Kohler engine.
What have you tried so far with your Kubota lawn mower?
A new starter, but it only cranks when I jump the starter. It started a couple of times when I first jumped the starter, but now it won't start. Checked fire and it has no fire.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
That's all I have for now.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer. The key switch has to have battery voltage. Do you get a click from the fuel solenoid on the carburetor if you flip the key on and off? Or turn on the switch and flip on the PTO, does the electric clutch magnet click? If you get no click, you have no battery voltage to the key switch. Look for a blown fuse.
The PTO switch works. I even checked voltage on the small signal wire to the starter, and it has 12.35 volts with it unplugged from the starter and key switch in the crank position. Is it possible I can be losing that voltage when it's plugged because I haven't measured voltage with it plugged? Can't do a phone call right now.
If that is the switch wire on the solenoid, and it has voltage when you turn the key, you may be losing voltage, if voltage and amps are not enough to close the solenoid. Run a jumper wire from key to the solenoid, mirroring the exist wire, and see if it will start. Wire may have corrosion or a bad connection.
Is that switch also controlling the engine spark to the plugs?
The key switch has to control the spark to the plugs. You haven't had the battery cables off where cables could have been swapped? I see where battery has been installed backward. The engine will crank, but has no spark?
No, this all started when I drove the mower in the shed, and next day it would not start. I have a new switch coming in this Friday, and I'll be back home where the mower is, and I'll get back on it.
Okay.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.